Hello everyone, Carson here back on New York Times Sudoku. Today is December 6th, 2023. Let's start today's hard Sudoku. Okay, so what have we got? I guess we got these 4 point right. So 4 in this box goes in one of those 2 cells. And then, I'm just seeing 1s and 2s, but the 4 is already placed in this box, so it's not quite a triple. But you do want to pay attention to that though. I don't see much going on up here. I guess we got these 7s as well, pointing up. Yeah. Not much going on up there. These 9s point down. This also sees this 9. These 5s point right. Oh, these 5s in this box, it forces 5 into column 5. And also in this box, forces the 5 to go in column 3. These point up. These point up. Oh, so you can see that this cell, C5, these 2 cells, C5, these 2 cells also see another 5. So in row 2, this is the only cell that does not see a 5. So it must be placed here because it's still missing from the row. Or another way to see it is that no matter if 5 goes like this, because in this box, these 2 can't be 5, so 5 goes in one of these 3. No matter how they are put, they all avoid row 2. So that's where 5 goes in row 2. I mean, the remaining box in the same kind of horizontal, that whole bar. So these 2 can't be 5. So no matter what, you will have the 5 placed here. Okay. These 1s point down, the cell also sees another 1. So it's placed there. These 1s force 1 into one of these 2 cells for that box. After I got this 5 placed, we can see that these 3s point into the box and forms a 3-7 pair because now both 3 and 7 must go in one of these 2 cells. Both of them. So 2 digits for 2 cells. Forms a 3-7 pair. None of the digits can go in the cells. So these can't be what's remaining in these cells. So these cells are a triple. These cells form a triple of 1, 2, and 6. So these 2 cells, C1. So this must be 1, and then this cell sees 2. So they go like this. These 1s, put 1 into one of these 2 cells. The 6s, yes, 6 in one of these 2 cells, the cell C6. These 6s, I'll just focus on all the 6s at once. Column 2, 3 cells remaining for 2, 4, and 8. Column 1, 3 cells left for 3, 4, and 6. Okay. This 3 points right, and this 3 points down. So in this box, 3 is forced into row 9. Oh, yeah. So pay attention to box 5. Pay attention to this box. These 3 cells, see 2, 4, and 9 in the same column. And in this box, 2, 4, and 9 are still missing. And there are only 3 cells remaining that are not in this column, where it sees 2, 4, and 9. So actually, only these 3 cells can contain 2, 4, and 9, so that forms a triple of 2, 4, and 9. None of the digits can go in these cells, so this also forms a triple of 1, 3, and 7. And then, of course, these 3 cells are 4, 5, 6, and 8, because they are, 5, 6, and 8 can only go in these 3 cells for the column. So this is 6 or 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6. Oh, this cell sees both 6 and 8, so it must be 5. So these 5s point right, this cell also sees another 5. So 5 is placed here in the box, and places the 5 here. Okay. And then, this 5 eliminates it, one of the possibilities of where 6 can be, and that leaves the only possibility left for 6 is in this cell, because now all the other cells see another 6. So after I got this 5 placed, I can place the 6 here as well. These 6's point left, 6 is placed here for this box, and then these 6's point down. These 6's and also this 6 force 6 to go in this cell for this box, and then these 6's point up. 6's are done for the whole puzzle, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Okay. This is not a 4 because of the 3, 4 pair. Alright, that makes this an 8. Removes, I always say removes, but it's not really removes, it's eliminates. Okay, eliminates the 8 from this cell. These 8's point up, and this 8, and the 9 as well. They point right, so in this box, 8 and 9 are both forced into column 8. Okay. So that also forms a pair here. 4 and 7. 4, 7 pair. No matter what, 7 has to go in row 1 for this box, so it eliminates all other 7s in the same row, so that resolves the 3, 7 pair here. These 3s force 3 into one of these 2 cells. These 7s force 7 into one of these 2 cells. These 2 cells form a triple of 1 and 2. And then the other digit, 9 is still missing, so I think 9 can go in any of those cells. Okay. In row 4, we got 4 cells remaining, and the digits that go in the cells are 1, 2, 3, and 4. This cell sees 1, 2, this cell sees 1. And in column 8, these shall reserve for 8 and 9. So these 4 cells, the digits that go in these 4 cells, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So this cell sees 3 and 7, so it's 2, 4. This cell sees 2, 3, 4, 7. This cell can be any of them. Oh, these ones. Force 1 in this box to go in this cell. So that places the 1 here. Actually, this was never a 1. I don't know what I was doing. Anyway, 1 is placed here in this box. Another 3, 7 pair. These two form a pair of 2 and 8. These 4 cells are for 2, 4, 8, and 9. No, 2, 5, 8, and 9. Sorry. 2, 5, 8, and 9. 2, 5, 8, and 9. 2, 5, 8, and 9. So it's still not yet resolved. Oh, I see it. Oh my goodness. This is a 1, 2, 4 triple in column 4. See, this is the problem with too many markings. This is the problem when you mark the hints too much. You don't see the triple easily. So because this is a 1, 2, 4 triple, I mean, only 1, 2, and 4 can go in these 3 cells, so it eliminates all other 1, 2, and 4s in the same column. So 2 and 4 actually can't go in this cell because of the 1, 2, 4 triple. Places the 9 in this cell. So that eliminates 9 from these 2 cells. Yeah, alright. So yeah, this is 2, 3, 4, and 7 because of this column, and that forms a 2, 3, 4, 7 quadruple or quad. So only 2, 3, 4, and 7 can go in these 4 cells. It eliminates all other 2, 3, 4s, and 7s in the same row. So 2 cannot be in the cell. Places the 8 here, 2 here. Yeah, alright. And then 2 can only go here now. This is a 4. This is a 9. Leaving a 5, 8 pair behind. This cannot be 2 and 9. Okay, that's better. Alright, so this is a 9. Yeah. Alright, so these 8s, they point right. Honestly, I'm still messed up by the fact that there are two... Look, I just overmarked it. That's basically what I did. Because this is not difficult. I mean, this is not easy to spot. Okay, yeah, these 9s. It's not difficult. What am I talking about? It's not easy to spot something when you have just an excessive amount of markings. Alright, so 9 goes here. for this box. 2, 4, 7, 8. So this sees 2 only. 3, 4, 7, 8 for the column. I don't think the cell sees any of those digits. This is 3, 7, or 8. This can't be 4. This also can't be 4 because of this 4 I just placed. Okay, what now? What now is the question. I bet it's just the same thing. Yeah, 4, 7 pair. Luckily I spotted earlier, or quicker this time. So 4, 7 pair eliminates 4 and 7 from the cell, places 8 in the cell, and 2. So now, yeah, these 8s point down to put 8 in this cell. Here, well, okay, so this is, whoops, sorry, this is 3. Basically done. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, finally got it done. I didn't explain it at the end because it's just really straightforward, normal Sudoku rules. It's very basic, so yeah, didn't explain that because of it. So yeah, finished today's New York Times Hot Sudoku in nearly and just under 23 minutes. It is, this is not a good run. But yeah, the 1, 2, 4 triple in column 4 definitely took me a while to spot. Yeah, and the 4, 7 pair in column 9, luckily, I spotted it way quicker than the triple. So I'm glad that happened. I feel like this puzzle was more difficult than the others I've done on New York Times. And also I think the 249 triple in box 5 was key. And also where the placement of 5 in row 2, I feel like those were the key spots. So hopefully you did better than me. Even if you struggled like me, hopefully this video helped. So, sums it up for Sudoku today. Sorry. Gonna end this episode here. This New York Times Hot Sudoku video is for December 6th, 2023. I'll see you all in tomorrow's New York Times Hot Sudoku. Bye!